Shiba Inu is starting to look lively again. After a period of quiet trading, the meme coin's price is climbing, and there's a good reason why. Reports say that the US and China are getting closer to a new trade deal, which has given the entire crypto market a bit of a boost. SHIB in particular is getting attention because of a possible breakout pattern forming on the charts and some exciting speculation about the future. And more on that in just a moment. BTCC is a crypto exchange with some really nice benefits. There's no VPN or KYC needed to get started. It's been around for 13 years. You get access to over 300 cryptocurrencies and leverage up to 500x. Plus, there's bonuses such as the 10% deposit bonus when you use my referral link down in the description below, and you can also get bonuses all the way up to $10,055. So if you'd like to research this more, or if you're ready to get started, you can find that link down in the description below. All right, so right now the big buzz is around the CME group, the same exchange launching XRP futures this May. People are wondering if SHIB could be next in line. If that happens, it could be a game changer. While there's no official confirmation yet, just the speculation is helping to stir things up. SHIB already has over $154 million in open interest in the crypto derivatives market, which means there's strong demand for trading it. Now let's talk about why a potential CME futures listing matters. When a coin like SHIB gets listed on a major exchange like CME, it opens the door for institutional investors to get involved. That usually means more volume, more legitimacy, and possibly higher prices. And let's not forget, the SEC is already considering a spot ETF for Dogecoin, which has about an 80% chance of approval, according to Bloomberg analysts. So if Doge is being taken that seriously, SHIB might not be far behind. And that said, a spot ETF for SHIB is still a long shot, but SHIB futures seem more likely to happen first. And if they do, the technicals already suggest a price breakout could follow. So right now, Shiba Inu's price is hanging right around 40.1279. That's up about 2.3% in the last 24 hours. Technical analysts are eyeing a double bottom pattern forming on the monthly chart. That's a pretty bullish sign. If SHIB can break past resistance at around 40.21 cents, it could potentially run up to 40.30 cents and eventually test its previous all-time high near 40.88 cents. If that happens, hitting 3 zeros and 1 cent suddenly seems a lot more realistic. One crypto analyst, Miguel F.T. Corrado, they're especially bullish. He spotted what looks like a cup and handle pattern on SHIB's daily chart. That's another classic sign of a reversal from a downtrend to an uptrend. And according to him, if SHIB confirms a breakout around 40.1274, the next target could be around 40.1678. About a 30% jump from the breakout point. Pretty solid upside if it plays out. However, it's not all sunshine. The RSI is hovering around 52, which is considered neutral. That means there's no strong momentum either way right now, but a little bullish pressure could tip the scales. Now, despite the excitement, trading volume for SHIB actually dropped 2.6%, landing around $133.6 million. So while there's optimism, a lot of traders are still playing it cautious. Let's talk holders. So right now, 59% of SHIB holders are in the red. Again, 59% of SHIB holders are in the red. Only 37% are in profit, and about 4% are just breaking even. That might explain the cautious mood. But here's something interesting. 78% of SHIB holders have held their tokens for over a year. That's a big vote of confidence from the community and suggests people still believe in its long-term potential. And what about the burn rate? Well, that's a mixed bag. Just 420,814 SHIB tokens were burned in the past 24 hours. That's a 97% drop from the day before. But over the past week, over 329 million tokens were burned, which is a 350% increase. So while short-term burns have slowed, the overall trend shows people are still actively trying to reduce supply, which is key to driving long-term value. The big takeaway: if the CME really does launch SHIB futures, and if the current bullish charts patterns plays out, we could be looking at a serious rally, possibly up to that elusive 3 zeros, 1 cent mark. It's not guaranteed, but SHIB definitely has the ingredients for a breakout moment soon. What do you guys think? How are you feeling about SHIB? How are you feeling about meme coins in general? Let us know your thoughts down in the comments below. You guys are awesome. Thank you so much to my Patreon supporters, as well as my YouTube members. God bless, and we'll see you in the next video.